Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tips on business analysis and professional development. In today's video, we will walk through the 7 most essential skills every business analyst must have. I'll also share simple real-world examples so that anyone can understand how these skills are used on the job. Let's get started. First, let's talk about communication skills. A business analyst must clearly convey ideas between teams, like translating business needs for developers and technical limitations for stakeholders. So for example, let's say the sales team asks for a dashboard to track sales numbers. As the BA, it's your job to break down the request and explain to the development team exactly what the dashboard should display, such as daily, weekly or monthly trends, and ensure the sales team understands what is technically possible within the deadline. Next is negotiation skills. A business analyst often works with multiple stakeholders to have different priorities. It is important to negotiate solutions that work for everyone. So for example, imagine the product team wants to launch a new feature quickly, but the development team needs more time to avoid bugs. As the BA, you will need to negotiate a middle ground, maybe by delivering a basic version now and adding improvements later. This keeps both teams happy while moving the project forward. Now let's discuss documentation skills. This involves writing down everything, requirements, process and changes, so everyone involved knows what to do. For example, let's say you are working on an online payment system. You need to document every detail, such as how the payment gateway will work, what the user flow will look like, and how refunds will be handled. Well-organized documentation helps the development team follow clear instructions and reduces confusion later. Moving on. People management skills. People management skills are crucial. As a BA, you often work with teams from different departments and need to manage their expectations and priorities. For example, imagine you are leading a project to upgrade a company's CRM software. You will need to coordinate with the sales team, the IT team, senior management, ensuring everyone contributes on time and knows what is expected of them. Good people management ensures smooth collaboration and timely delivery. Next up are analytical skills. BAs need to analyze data, processes and systems to find patterns, identify problems and recommend solutions. So for example, let's say your company notices a drop in the customer retention. As the BA, you would analyze customer data to uncover the cause. Maybe customers are leaving after a particular stage in the journey, like onboarding or a follow-up mail. Based on your findings, you could recommend improving customer service at critical touch points to keep them engaged. Now let's talk about presentation skills. Once you have gathered data or completed analysis, you will need to present your findings clearly to stakeholders. So for example, imagine you have analyzed the cost benefit of 2 new software options. You will need to present your insights in a way that both the technical and the non-technical stakeholders understand, using maybe charts and visuals to explain complex ideas simply. And finally, conflict management skills are essentials. Disagreements are inevitable when working with multiple teams, and it's your job to resolve them efficiently. Let's say the marketing team wants to change the project scope at the last minute, but the development team is worried about the timeline. As the BA, you will need to mediate, help both teams understand and each other's challenges, and find a solution like rescheduling non-critical tasks to meet the deadline. So these are the core skills every business analyst needs: communication skills, negotiation skills, documentation skills, people management, analytical skills, presentation skills and conflict management. While these skills are essential, they are not enough on their own. Skills like critical thinking, attention to detail and emotional intelligence also play a crucial role in becoming a top-tier business analyst. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below with the skill you would like to develop, and I'll see you in the next video.